Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Galaxy Games. Today, thank you guys, by the way, for getting that video to 100 views. Actually, 114 views. That's just like actually amazing. Like I never expected that. So, as I said in my, I think I might have said it in my last video, but what if that video reached 100 views? I'll make a video on programming. So this is it, guys. So yeah, we're gonna start programming. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is that we're gonna want to start off basic, because you don't want to just like have this game or just like you make like a ginormous, like I don't know, like insane game. So yeah, so we're just gonna start off basic. So the first thing we're gonna learn today is that we are going to learn like variables. So let me find the script. So, first let me explain the script. So, like, I'm not sure what this script does. That's why I don't use it that much. So, basically a script is just a script. Like, it runs on everything. Like, if you touch it, like, let's say you have a kill block, and, like, you want it to be lava. So, this script, if you insert a script and you type out the code, then the script will run every single time someone touches it. But if it's a local script, it'll only run on this person's computer that they're playing on, or, like, screen. So, I'm gonna want to do a script because, why not? So this, if you guys don't know, like we're gonna make a variable. Let's say, so if you want to make a variable, you can do local. Local is like a variable, and then after that, let's just call our variable x, and let's say local x equals hi hi there. So yeah, x equals hi there. So now when we come down here and we type in print x, when you run the game, it's gonna print hi there. So yeah, let's try it out. So let me find this and let me get okay, Roblox Studio is lagging a bit, so that's kind of depressing. Whatever though. So when we go to output, look, it's gonna say hi there. See that right there? Hi there. Okay, so now that that works, we're gonna work on let's see if let's make this a number. So let's actually make another variable. So local x equals 2 again. And now let's make this local y is equal to, let's say, like 25. So we're not going to want to print this anymore, so let's get rid of it. Now we're going to explore an if statement. So an if statement like checks to see what's running, like if the thing is true, then do some code. So let's gonna say if x is greater than y, then let's say if x is greater than y, then let's say print x is higher. Okay, so now we're gonna do an else if statement. Like this is like an if statement that's in, like, let's say you have something and you want an else of it, but if that else has an if statement right next to it, like then you'll type in else if y is greater than x, then let's say print y is higher. Now let's add an else. This is like just else, like, and let's print. How about we say equal? So yeah, if you're hearing background noise, by the way, then that's depressing. So yeah, sorry for that, but whatever, it's fine. Equal. So yeah, let's have that. So let's play this game right now, guys, and yeah. So let's just wait for this video to load. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting. Okay, so what we should get is in our output, it should say y is higher because 25 is higher than 2. I'm pretty sure you guys already know that. So cool. That's cool. So yeah, we have this break. Now here's a problem in the game. Well, not really a problem, but it's like something you might want to do. So let's say you're making an obby. So let's just put out parts first of all, and first, by the way, if you there's some properties on this. So let's say you want to change the brick color. So just go here, change. What do you want to do? Material. It's right here. All right here. Okay. It's all this stuff. So I'm just gonna explain what this stuff kind of does first before I go into everything different. Like, so let's put the reflectance at 1. Like, pretty much it just reflects this guy. Transparency is just like how visible it is. So let's like put it to 0.7, but like, yeah. So yeah, and then this is just the name of the part. Let's just call this brick. Yeah, it's, you know, whatever, it's fine. We don't need to like have it. Well, an anchored is like anchored. How would I explain this? So when it's anchored, the part does not fall off. It's just like stay wherever it is. When it's not anchored, it will just fall straight down. It's kind of like gravity, like being denied. So can collide is just like can collide with other objects, and if that's set to true, you can. If it's set to false, well, no. That's depressing. Locked is just like you can't, can't, select it from the workspace. It's not really like too important. I wouldn't like mess up mathless. I'm not sure what that does. So yeah, let's the shape. Just with the shape of it, you can make it a ball. You can make it block, a cylinder. Size, just yeah. Okay, so let's get back into the programming. So let me just change this back to a block. So let's say that you wanted to like kill someone in a game, like you want to reset their character because I don't know, like they fell in lava and they didn't complete the obby. So if you're hearing something in the background, I'm sorry guys already. So let's type in a new variable. Let's say local kill, no, let's say local lava, because that's like the lava we're talking about, is equal to script.parent. And I'll explain what this does. So lava is the script, so we're gonna get the script and the parent of the object. The parent is like let's say, so let me say this. This is the child and this is the parent because the parent is like the main thing. All the children are in there. So yeah, it's kind of weird, but like, so let's say yeah, so there's that. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna do a function, and this function will run every time the player hits lava. What functions do, it like repeats codes over and over and over again when it's like hit on or like touch or whatever you want to do. So let's call this function kill, and then we'll add 2 parentheses, and we're gonna write in part in these parentheses. Well, what this is gonna do, it's gonna find the part that the brick gets touched to. So if it's a humanoid, which is basically the human, so we're gonna write in local human, or just local human. We don't need to do humanoid. So basically your humanoid is like stuff that has your walk speed, has your jump power, health, all those other things. So local human, we're gonna set this to the first part that it touches, and then we're gonna have its parent, and then we're gonna want to find the first child of it, or like the first like component in it. So after that, we're gonna put parentheses and then this quotation marks, and we're gonna try to find the humanoid. The humanoid, as I explained, is very important to the human. Without the humanoid, you cannot live as a Roblox player. So now we're gonna want to do if it's human, if it's a human. Oh, I forgot to add the then. Don't forget to add the end. It's really important. So if the player if the part that touches this lava block is a player, then we want to deal some damage. So let's say we want to completely kill our character. Well, sure, let's go for that. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna know human dot health, and this is the health of the player, is equal to 0. So that will set. Let me find ours. No, never mind. I'll show you when we go to in our game. So we're gonna go in here, and if Roblox will load. Sorry for that. Okay, so we're gonna go in here. Okay, Roblox is like lagging like crazy. Sorry for that. So let's go to the workspace, which is like everything that lies in our game, and let's go to your we'll say like your whatever your like name is in your game. So you're gonna want to scroll down and then go to humanoid. As you can see, this has health display distance. This is your health. This is like the name of the object. You don't really need to care about that. So this is like everything that has your see max health. This is your health. This is your angle that you can walk on. It's like you're walking up like a wall, but like you can only walk up 89 degrees. Sorry for that. Because you can't walk up a straight up slope. So that's that. So let's go back to this part. So our health right now is 100. Well, now if, oh, I forgot one thing, guys. You're gonna want to connect your functions. So we need to connect this real one. So we're gonna write in lava dot touched. So this is the lava that's getting touched, and we're gonna connect this. We're gonna connect this to the kill function. So this basically just like connects it to the touched event. Like whenever you touch something in your game, then it's gonna kill you. Make it kill you if you want it to kill you. And yeah, so I'll show you now, and I'm gonna be right back in a minute. So yeah, so as you can see, we're gonna die. So how cool is that? So yeah, I'll be back in a minute, guys. Sorry about that, guys. I had to go close the door because there was too much noise. So yeah, that was pretty cool. So we're gonna explore a couple more things. So what if you wanted to? You see, this doesn't look anything like a kill block. So first of all, let's shape it down because this is way too big. So yeah, let's say this is our lava. Let's make it a bit smaller, like this. So let's say this doesn't look like a kill block at all, right? So if we want to change how this looks, we're gonna go to brick color and we're gonna select a color. So let's say we wanted to select like what looks good. I'm gonna select something like really red because that looks like lava, and also this still doesn't really look like lava. So a really good material for lava is granite. So let me find it. Is it granite? I think it's granite. Like, yeah, that looks like lava, right? It looks like a lot like lava. No matter what shape or size it is, it's still gonna do the same thing. Even if it's like the tiniest thing ever, then it's gonna still do the same thing. Like, if you touch it, it'll do the same thing. So yeah, let's show this right now. Hopefully I don't land on it automatically, so let's walk over there. And here we go. And bye-bye. We died. It's the press face. Alright, so there's that. I'm going to show you one more thing, guys, today, and I hope you guys keep on programming. Programming is pretty fun if you keep on doing it. So we're going to insert part. Let's say we wanted the player to speed up. So we already explored the humanoid and like what it does. So we're going to make this part, let's say, let's put this part at 0.5 transparency so we can like half see through it. So also let's color this part yellow, because why not? So let's say we wanted to speed the player up and increase their jump power. So what we're going to do, we're going to add a script. Now this script is going to control everything. Like, it's going to make them jump higher, it's going to store their data, whatever they want to do. So first, we got to insert the human variable. So actually, no, we'll do that later. So first of all, we got to do something. I think you start up with a function. So let's do a function. Let's call this function speed and jump. Okay, so let's say, oh, I forgot. Okay, so let's add part there. So let's call the speed and jump. So we're gonna make the logo human variable again, and we're just gonna do part dot parent find first child. Oh god. And then we're gonna write the humanoid in there. Make sure you actually spell this exactly how I do it. And it doesn't matter if you use these, it doesn't matter if you use apostrophes, by the way. So feel free to use quotation marks or apostrophes. Okay, so yeah. So that doesn't really matter. I'm just going to do it that way because, you know what, why not? So, whoops, I accidentally pressed my Windows tab. So, we're going to check if this player is, like, you know, if human. So, we're going to do if human, then this is going to be the if statement that checks for, like, if it's a human or not. So, what we're going to do is we are going to make them increase their jump power and their speed. So, how to do this? So, the base walk speed is 16. So, you technically go, like, 16 Roblox thingies an hour. I don't know what to call them. And you go 50 mini studs in the air. I don't know. I don't know what it is. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna do human dot walk speed is equal to 16 times 2. Now this is gonna multiply. This is gonna multiply the walk speed by 2, so we get extra speedy. And now we have to make the jump power. And what am I doing right now? Like actually. Okay, so now we gotta do human dot jump power is. Oh my god. Really? Oh my god. I'm actually mad. Like what the heck? Okay, human dot jump power is equal to 50. 50. Let's do. No, let's just. I don't know what to do. 50 times 2 question mark. That'll make it 100. So you guys actually don't need to do this. Like if you want to, like you can just like type out what you want it to be. So I'm gonna make mine 75 to be honest. I'm just gonna make this one. Let's make this one 30. So you don't like you can type it out unless if it's like higher, then it will actually work. So are you kidding me? I forgot to connect it again. Really? Never do this, guys. Like never. I'm telling you to not do this. Roblox is not responding. Sad face. Okay. Never. You have to connect your functions. It will not work. So okay, let's just do this. Script dot parent. Again, this is a script in the part dot touched connect. We got to connect the function now, and now we have to connect it to the speed and jump. So there we go. That's all done. Now we can test it out. If Roblox will load again. Dot dot dot. Okay. Load, 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 load. Please, please. I beg of you. Okay. So now, as we touch it, we should be able to run faster. Look, we're running way faster, and we're running way higher. We're jumping way higher. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, I'm gonna do one more quick thing. I'm gonna duplicate this part, and in case if you want to slow down, so I'm just gonna color this red really quickly. Red. I'm gonna actually add a spawn location here. So if you don't know how to add a spawn location, you just like right click on your screen. And, you know, is my recorder in the way of the spawn location? I think it is. No, that's just an object value. You don't need to worry about that right now. So let me find the spawn location. Spawn location. So we'll like spawn right here. So what we're going to do this is part, we're just going to go to the script. And then we're going to make it back to 16. 26, what? 16. We're going to change this back to 50. And then we're just going to change this to slow. Whoops. Function slow. Oh god, I cannot spell. Like actually slow. And then we're just gonna select that, delete it, and then we're gonna say slow. Okay, so now when you walk onto the yellow part, it should speed you up, and then when you walk on the red part, it should slow you down. So yeah, let's see how this works. I'm pretty sure it will work, because I have tested this many times. Okay. So as we touch this, we'll speed up. As we touch this, we'll slow down. Okay. So that's going to do it for this video, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, go ahead and drop a like and smash that subscribe button. Become part of the Galaxy Game today. And if you ever want to see more of these videos, leave a like on this video, please. I would really appreciate it. Let's say this video gets to at least, let's say 50 views or 3 likes. Then we'll make another programming video. But that's going to do it today, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy. And I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.